Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8 Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the third poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. It is written by T.S. Eliot. Do you know what is Macavity? Macavity means a mystery cat. Mystery means a thing that cannot be understood or explained. Okay. It is written by T.S. Eliot. Let us see about the author. Students, this is the picture of the author T.S. Eliot. Macavity the Mystery Cat's author. T.S. Eliot, 1888 to 1965. Thomas Stern Eliot was the full name of the T.S. Eliot. He was born on 26 September in 1888. Was an American-born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and editor. He became a British subject in 1927 at the age of 39, subsequently renouncing his American citizenship. And he was considered one of the 20th century major poets. Eliot attracted whispered attention for his poem The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock in 1915. Which is seen as a masterpiece of the modernist movement. It was followed by some of the best-known poems in the English language, including Waste Land in 1922, The Hollow Men 1925, Ash Wednesday in 1930. He was also known for his 7 plays, particularly Murder in the Cathedral in 1935, The Cocktail Party in 1949. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948. Students, all of you take your English textbook, page number 50. Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. I hope all of you take that page. Macavity the Mystery Cat. What do you mean by Macavity and mystery? What do you mean by mystery? Mystery means a thing that cannot explain or understand. A thing that cannot explain or understand. I ask you some questions. Do you like cat? I know most of the answers will be yes. Do you have a pet cat? That is also again most of the answers may be yes. Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Here, Macavity the Mystery Cat, the poem describes the story of a mystery cat. Macavity is a fictional character and depicts the actions of the crook. He is also known as a hidden paw. He is a notorious criminal spy and a tricker and often disobey the laws. Macavity the Mystery Cat. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy law. His bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, a mystery cat, he is called a hidden paw. Underline the word paw. Underline the word P-A-W, paw. Paw means an animal foot. An animal foot. For he is a master criminal who can defy. Defy you can see in the glossary. Defy means disobey or resist openly. Who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland, flying squad despair. Underline the word bafflement. Bafflement means a feeling of total bewilderment or perplexity. a feeling of total bewilderment. Bewilderment. Or perplexity. Perplexity. Despair means absence of hope. Meaning of the first four lines. Macavity is a mystery cat because no crime agency was ever able to arrest this criminal mastermind during or after his committing the crime. He is too clever to leave any evidence of his guilt. He is a puzzle for every detective agency in the world, including Scotland Yard and Flying Squad, who are specialized in investigating crime. Whenever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity is too clever to be catch and he is no ever here at the crime spot. Next stanza. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Underline the word levitation means floating in the air without any support. Stare means fear. Here, Macavity breaks the law of the nature. The poet is sure that there has been no creature like Macavity. Macavity has broken not only human law but even the law of nature. He floating in the air without any support. Thus he breaks the nature law of gravitation. The fakir are supposed to have some magical powers, but even they stare upon Macavity.